Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, term matching quick guide, 50% prefix and fuzzy matching. When adding an entry to your term base, you have the option to set the matching setting that memoQ will use to recognize entries in the translation grid. Selecting the right matching setting will help improving compliance with your approved terminology. Today, we'll explain the 50% prefix and fuzzy matching options. With 50% prefix matching, memoQ recognizes in the translation grid the words where at least the first half matches the entry. Some example. If the entry is project, memoQ will recognize projects, projection, but not project application. If the entry is review, memoQ will recognize reviewer and reviews. With fuzzy matching, memoQ recognizes in the translation grid the words that are at least 80% similar to the entry anywhere in the word regardless of the starting letters. Some example. If the entry is board of director, memoQ will recognize the plural boards of directors as well. If the entry is translate, memoQ will recognize pre-translate as well. If the entry is directeur des ressources humaines, memoQ will recognize directrice des ressources humaines. Thank you for watching.